Most AI tools are great for brainstorming, but that is exactly where they stop. They cannot actually help you build a physical product. Today, we are testing something completely different. It is called Accio 2.0, an AI sourcing agent built specifically to take you from a raw idea to real manufacturable products. By the end of this video, I am going to show you exactly how to do that in 3 simple steps using just one product, even if you have never sourced anything in your life. Before we jump into the tutorial, look at this. This genuinely surprised me. With just a few prompts, Accio 2.0 generated a complete tech pack. We're talking 3-view product drawings, exact dimensions, materials, and a full bill of materials. This is the exact kind of document a factory needs to manufacture a product. We're going to build one of these from scratch today, and I will walk you through every single step. So, what exactly is Accio? Think of Accio as the world's first AI sourcing agent built specifically for online businesses. It actively figures out what you should sell, what the physical product needs to look like, and exactly which factories can actually make it. They've also just rolled out a major upgrade designed specifically to help small and medium-sized businesses move faster. I've dropped a link to Accio 2.0 in the description below. Open it up right now so you can follow along and test your own product ideas as we go. When you log in, the interface is surprisingly clean. It looks a lot like a normal chat tool with a main prompt box right in the center. There's an attachment button if you want to upload reference images of the product you're looking for, and at the right, you'll see 2 modes: fast and thinking. Fast is great for quick checks, but when you want deep, thorough research, you flip it to thinking mode. On the left side panel, you have product search, your saved tracking lists, and an inquiries tab, which basically acts as your inbox for supplier responses. It's super straightforward. And yes, there is a free trial so you can test everything I'm about to show you risk-free. Let's get into it. Step 1 is finding a product worth selling. The secret here is to avoid being too broad. Let's narrow it down to a specific niche: fitness accessories. You usually know your general space. You just need the AI to point out the hidden opportunities. So I'm going to prompt it to find trending fitness accessory opportunities. Easy to ship, priced between $25 to $60, with customer pain points and improvement ideas for each. Asking for complaints is the ultimate cheat code. Customer complaints are literally where the money is. They expose the gap in the market, the exact things people are already paying for but hate. When I hit enter, Accio doesn't just spit out a generic list. It actually maps out a plan of action. You can see it actively checking AliExpress, Alibaba.com, Reddit, and social media. It's doing real deep research, not just a surface-level keyword search. And the results are incredible. It found 4 potential products, including a magnetic gym phone mount. It listed the pricing, the complaints, and the exact fixes we need to make, like adding high-density gel inserts and a sweat-activated grip. Those are actionable manufacturing specs, not just vague advice. We're going to run with the magnetic gym mount for our test product. Now for step 2. This is where most AI tools completely fall apart. A factory cannot manufacture a cool idea. They need a technical document. So my next prompt is simple. Create a tech pack for a heavy-duty magnetic gym mount so I can manufacture it. Within just a few minutes, it generates a real 3-view diagram showing the front, side, and top views, with exact dimensions clearly called out. We're talking exactly 6.5 centimeters wide and 12.5 centimeters tall. It specifies an aluminum alloy build with a matte black anodized finish, and it even highlights the reinforced joints right there on the technical drawing. But it doesn't stop at the visual design. Right below that, it maps out the entire manufacturing workflow step by step. It covers everything from raw material frame cutting and surface anodizing to the magnetic face assembly and final quality inspection. It even gives you a complete assembly and bill of materials breakdown, showing exactly how every single component connects. It includes a close-up of the device resting section and even dictates the exact spring specifications for the flexible back mechanism. You weren't just going to a supplier and saying, "I want something kind of like this." You're handing them the exact professional blueprint they need to actually build it. Step 3 is where we actually find our factory. I like to break this down into 3 separate prompts to keep the AI focused. First, I ask it, using the tech pack above, find me supplier options for this product on Alibaba.com or a similar platform. It immediately runs a global B2B search and pulls up 16 supplier options. I can see their certifications, their time in business, and their regions. But 16 is too many, so we need to narrow it down. My second prompt is pick the best 3 and compare them in a table based on price range, minimum order quantity, production time, and shipping time. Just like that, it builds a complete comparison table. We get a breakdown of Smile & Electronic for speed, X-World Technology for reliability, and Thai World Technology for cheap high-volume orders. It lays out the exact per-unit costs, minimum order quantities, and lead times. Building this spreadsheet manually would have taken hours. Smile & Electronic looks like the clear winner here, so let's reach out. For my final prompt, I tell it, write a professional message I can send to all 3 suppliers asking for a quote, pricing at different quantity levels, sample availability, and lead times. It drafts the perfect outreach message, covering everything a manufacturer needs to see. I tell it to send the message with the tech pack specs, and it actually fires off the inquiries directly through the platform. And just like that, we went from a vague product niche to a professional tech pack to a shortlisted supplier to a sent inquiry without ever switching tabs. This is an execution tool, not just a research tool. It doesn't just hand you a paragraph and wish you luck. It does the actual work. You've got to try this out. The link is in the description below. I've also added the exact prompts I used today in the description so you can copy and paste them for your own product ideas. Drop a comment below and tell me what kind of product you want to source, whether it's kitchen gear, pet products, or desk setups, and include your budget or target problem. I'll pick the best ones to test in a future video. If you got value out of this, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.